UAPK Project Kits.
How to make colada de Machica? Let's make a delicious colada de Machica. What do we need? Ingredients: 2 liters of milk, 1 pound of Machica, cinnamon to taste, sugar to taste. Delicious! Let's start cooking colada de Machica. Step 1. We put the milk to boil together with the cinnamon. Step 2. When the water is warm, we put the Machica. Step 3. We cook it for 15 minutes. Step 4. You have to stir it a lot. Move it. Move it. Are you ready to take a sip? It's delicious! Activities. Do you remember how many ingredients we need to make a delicious colada de Machica?